right now?
All hail, Wheezy.
No, I don't want that on my video.
Just kidding. No, we believe in God and we don't hail anyone but God.
Easy as in Jesus.
Yeah.
Jeezy.
Oh,
Yeah.
cripes. They're moving out a lot. That's not good.
Wait, I'm scared.
Oh, nervous. Are we gonna get a spot on the lot?
No, they already moved out.
No. Moved out. Baby Cole.
Wait, no, that was a math class maybe. Try it.
It's 12:15.
Okay.
No, it's 12:43.
Oh, if I
What
can
about?
fit.
What about?
Oh, James, I don't have much faith in your parking skills. Wait, no,
Oh,
we're
wait, I
total.
did this. I tried doing this morning.
We are
It didn't work
totally
out, so-
fine. You can do it though. Do you want help? This is really
You're supposed to put on there first, and then why are you
What?
telling me that? Oh, because I like recommended it.
What'd you say, Megan? Pull out, go back in to the spot?
Yeah, that's easier.
Okay.
Sorry, why are you filming this?
Because this is the first senior lunch, and Sophie's gonna put this on YouTube.
YouTube. Okay. So do you want help, James? Oh, you're not getting this at all.
I got this.
Oh.
Am I gonna hit
All
the
right.
car, though?
See y'all next time.
Oh,